Well, it smells great in here, I can tell you. We have our sauce, which is a nice fresh combination of diced tomatoes, spinach, caramelized onions, and garlic with a little Greek white wine. And to finish this, I'm going to add our shrimp back in. And kind of nestle them in the sauce so they finish cooking. The sauce is like a nice nest for them. And then I'm going to add some chopped fresh oregano. Remember, there was dried oregano in the marinade, but the fresh oregano is going to add a nice fresh punch. And then some delicious, briny, authentic feta cheese. Doesn't that look terrific? I think it does. Join me in the next clip when I talk about the ingredients that I'll need to make my Mediterranean salad.